Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is the Odoland. That's it right there. It's a ski helmet, and I got this one here, and we're gonna check this out. So we're gonna figure out where to open it. We'll open it up over here. I'll show you guys what it all looks like. So let's see. So first thing I see comes with not much in there. Here's instructions, I guess, for it. User guide. Oh, what kind of helmet needs a user guide? But whatever. So it comes in this little cinch bag here. It's like one of those little string backpacks, I guess. You can wear that around the ski resort. And this is the helmet here. And it's very bright blue. So let's see what it looks like. This is what it comes with here. And it's got, I guess what's cool about it is it's got these removable sides, so you can put them on or take them off depending on the weather. So it looks like it just snaps into place here. Let me see. There we go. Snaps into place there. And there. Snaps into place there. So those are in place. So let's see how this fits. And it looks like it's got an adjustable little rotating thing here to make it bigger and smaller. So hopefully it'll fit me. Can't remember what size I got. Let me look. I got medium. So if you saw the size of my head, medium. Actually, that fits really good. Let's see, how's this fit on here? Wow, that's a really good fit. And it's super comfortable. I mean, it's got some hard parts in there I can feel. It's not all squishy all around, but I guess you wouldn't want it to be because you want it to be somewhat solid to be formed to your head. If it was all just squish, it wouldn't do you any good. But it's hard to hear. Let me take this off. So feels good, fits good. I mean, you can see here, it's got a really good fit. I mean, definitely medium is my size. But I could feel up here in the front, it's got that hard styrofoam, and I could feel that touching my face or my head. But I guess if I move this up here maybe, I can kind of move it around and adjust it a little bit, make it a little bit more comfortable for myself. Let's see, how's that now? Oh my gosh, way better. Okay, so that's it. And if you wear like a hat or something, or like a bandana, I usually wear a bandana for some reason. I don't know why, but under it. But super comfortable. And then if it's too hot, let me see how to get these off. Does it just pull out? I don't know how to get those off. Let's see how I can get the ear parts off. Does it say how to detach the ear? Pull out one earmuff from the helmet. Detach the other earmuff. I guess it's just a pull-out thing. So let's see how we go here. Yeah, no, lots of Velcro pieces. It does have a little thing there so you can hear through it, but I can't say I heard great through it. I guess you just kind of pull on it to get it off. So that's what it would be without it. Do you have to push them? Oh no, there's gonna be some easier way. Just kind of pull it out. But so then now it's off. So now if I wanted to be able to hear, like that, now I could totally hear everything. But kind of cool. I like it. I mean, the earmuffs will just kind of keep you warm. I guess, they are pretty thick for some protection too, but it's really cool. I like this helmet, so I'm gonna give this one thumbs up from me. Looks real nice, solid. So I like it. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.